In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use Ria Money Transfer to transfer money to a bank account, right? So if you have not yet downloaded the app, the link is in the description of this video. So once you're in the app, right, you're going to select send, specify how much you want to send, right? It gives an estimate of how much the individual will receive. Now from the pay with option, you can choose between a debit or a credit card. Now for the delivery option, right, deliver to, this is where you're going to ensure you select bank. Now to receive additional discount, I'll leave a promo code in the description of this video so you can check it out and add it to your transfer, right? So select continue. I'm going to select my existing recipient. Then in your case, you're going to select add new recipient. So I'm going to select I'm sending to myself, complete the information, and then select continue. Now here's where you're going to search for the bank name. So let's search for NCB. Then you select the bank that you want to make the transfer to, specify the bank account number, the branch code, and the branch city. So I'm going to step back and select an existing account which is on file. So once you provide all the information, select continue. Review the transfer and then select confirm. Now here's where you're going to select your payment method and continue, right? However, I do not want to make a transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.